Oh, Campbell's coming.
H2O?
Yes.
Why are there 20 egg yolks in the fridge?
It's Campbell's birthday tomorrow. I'm going to make a surprise giant chocolate cake. I wanted to use them too. Biology experiments?
What? To grow a chicken out of it?
No. You can ask Plasma. He came up with the idea.
Yeah! Let's go to the lab!
Okay, what are we gonna do with these egg yolks? Plasma?
I got it! Look at that! Normally, it's difficult to pick up egg yolk with your bare hands!
Yeah.
But guess what happens when you rub garlic on your hands?
Is this some sort of witchcraft?
No, look at that! You can pick up the egg yolk easily!
Well, surely you can do that without garlic.
Here, have some!
Oh. Why is that?
Because garlic has substances that can bind to the egg yolk, making your fingers more sticky!
Oh, that's cool. Oh,
Knew you popped the egg yolk!
sorry, but there are still 19 egg yolks left.
Okay, but it shouldn't be that hard to keep an egg yolk!
See, you can't keep an egg yolk either.
Let's see who can keep egg yolks the longest then. I'll take 9 egg yolks, and you take 9!